Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to remove this stretch belt without using special service tools. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I do have this 22mm socket. I'm gonna go ahead. I put the engine on the ground. My engine is more stable. All you have to do now is press this thing out. Just make sure your finger is not gonna catch it fully. Press this like this and turn it clockwise. There you have it. It's off. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the new engine. Alright guys, so I just add a little bit of oil because I don't really want to crank this crankshaft without oil in there. And I'm going to install this dry belt. Install it the way you can read the text. So first, it's going to go to the crankshaft. Then, it's going to go there. Right there. Okay. Then you're just gonna put your 22mm and turn it clockwise while you're holding your thumb right here. Then press this in. There you have it. Pretty simple, huh? Well, of course, it's outside the vehicle, right? But yes, this method is also doable when this engine is in the vehicle. Alright guys, so the engine is in, and I'm going to show you guys the same step that I did earlier to remove this stretch belt. Okay, same thing. Press this outward and watch your finger. Whoops. There we go. There you go. There we go. That's it. Then to put it in, alright, so make sure this is up here. You don't want to catch this bolt right here while you're spinning it. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and spin it gently. Again, watch your finger. There you go. And this guy right here, you gotta press this in. There you have it. All right. Sweet. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching.